Get over all your stress. In this video, we will share with you 5 effective ways to deal with stress and negative emotions in everyday life. The first is priorities and planning. One way to deal with stress is to prioritize and plan well. Divide your time into tasks that really matter to you and give yourself enough time to rest and relax. The second is emotion management. Emotion management is an important aspect of coping with stress. Learn emotion regulation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or exercise. These techniques will help you cope with negative emotions and relieve tension. The third is social network support. It is important to have the support of a social network in difficult times. Connecting with loved ones, friends, or professionals can help you find support, relieve stress, and gain valuable advice. That's all. We hope that these 5 ways will help you overcome stress and negative emotions in your daily life. Take care of yourself and live life to the fullest.